My name is Catherine Temple-Lewis. I'm a human and cognitive scientist and a science communicator, and all my work is about accelerating insight out of the labs, the science labs, and into the public domain, whether that's the hands of the creatives or the public themselves, to create impact and change. I'm also the co-founder of Kinder Studios, the first ever women-led neuroaesthetics creative studio and labs. I'm really excited about this panel because it brings in people from across the sciences and the labs and the creative world as well, to have a cross-discipline discussion that pokes the edges of the normal discussion around virtual reality for therapy and mental health benefits. Because what I'm interested in is what are the more holistic ways that we can use virtual reality. You know, we have this creative capacity to transcend normal bounds of time and space, create totally other worlds. And what does this mean in terms of helping us prevent the mental health issues that we're seeing? And not just sort of visual virtual reality, but of course there's more audio immersive products coming out. So by prevent, I mean, how can we help people connect with themselves, that explore their emotions, connect with each other, connect even ironically with nature? We're now seeing that the creative arts themselves is a pillar of mental and physical health. But if this is the case, are we really using virtual reality to its creative capacity? You know, there's things like AI that can now help us create content. Where can that take us? What are the ethics and dangers there? And of course, what is the accessibility issues? Not everybody can access virtual reality yet. How do we make it more accessible? And how also do we bridge that gap between the creative arts and what they're exploring in their more holistic view, an empowered view of mental and physical health, giving you the tools to help yourself, and the medical profession, which, as we know, is often very functional and slow moving. And then, of course, finally, how do you address the contradiction in a world we're trying to connect more with ourselves and our bodies and each other, and of course nature, when you're creating these virtual worlds that are disconnecting you often from your body and each other and nature? How do you bring those two sides together? So we'll be exploring this with an incredible panel of May Abdullah, an Emmy award-winning virtual reality content creator, used to work for Al Jazeera's, making documentaries, but turned to virtual reality to find out what would happen in terms of empathy and emotion when you put someone into the story. We have Skip Rizzo, a professor in medical virtual reality, looking at the technical and accessibility and ethical aspects of it, and Tasha Golden, formerly of the International Arts and Minds Labs, who's really interested in looking at both the creative arts and public health, and how we can actually inform policy and design through this exploration. So I will see you in Austin, and have a wonderful day.